In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create balloon text in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design where you want to add this effect, so you can immediately preview how the text will look with the rest of your layout. This is helpful because text effects can look slightly different depending on your background, colors, and overall design style. Once your project is open, select the text box you want to turn into balloon text. This step is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which text element you want to edit. If nothing is selected, the effects options may not apply to the right object. So take a second to click directly on the text box before moving on. After that, look over to the left-hand panel and click the Effects tab. This is where Adobe Express groups together styling options that can completely change the appearance of your text. If you've never explored this panel before, it's a great place to find creative looks without having to build them manually. Inside the Effects area, find the section called Generate Text Effects, then click View All. This will open the full collection of available generated styles, so you can browse more options beyond the default ones shown at first. Taking this extra step makes it much easier to locate the exact style you want. Now browse through the effects until you find Balloon, then click on it. As soon as you do, Adobe Express will apply the balloon effect to your selected text. You should see your lettering change into a more inflated, playful style, almost like it has been shaped out of balloons. This can work especially well for party graphics, event invitations, kids' designs, or any project that needs a fun and cheerful look. If you want, you can also tweak the prompt in the text field at the top and generate a new version. This gives you a bit more control over the final appearance, and it can be useful if you want to experiment with slightly different results while keeping the same balloon style concept. A good tip here is to preview each variation carefully so you can choose the one that best matches your design. And that's it. Once you're happy with the result, your balloon text is ready to use in Adobe Express.